Smart Wi-Fi thermostat for underfloor heating, terneo S6. Terneo S6 is a smart thermostat with a geofencing function for maximum savings. On the outside of the box, in addition to the image of the thermostat, we see a factory sticker with basic technical information. We unpack the box. The device also comes with installation and operation instructions, which contain a warranty card. The set includes a floor temperature sensor 3 meters long. All terneo thermostats are covered by a 3-year warranty from the date of purchase. Terneo has a minimalistic design. The screen is behind a thin plastic and below are the buttons that will be needed to start the device. Also, there is a connection diagram on the back of the device. To connect Terneo S6 to the application, use a short and clear video instruction on YouTube, how to connect the Terneo S6 to mobile application. All settings are easy to do in the Terneo application. To start with, users highly appreciate the usability of the application. You should enter your electricity tariff first to see usage statistics in kilowatt-hours and money. You can adjust the weekly schedule according to the rhythm of your life. And you can also share access with other family members. Quick tip: if you have more than one thermostat, combine them in a group to control as one. And in the end, we want to emphasize the feature of our thermostat, the smart function of geofencing. Be sure to turn it on at the beginning of work so that the Terneo S6 automatically turns off the heating to an economical temperature when no one is at home. Consume wisely. Terneo Intelligent Heat Management.